my fabulous people, guess what we are going to do today? Today we are going to make some buns. If you have not done buns before, this video is for you. Stay tuned, just sit down and be looking at it step by step. Measure what I use. Stay tuned and relax and enjoy this video. So this is what I use to measure the flour. Once you use this, you won't get it wrong. Cups of flour here. So this 3 times in here. If you want a lot of sugar, you can add it, but I use this to measure, so I get here. I use 2 cups of this to have this. For my baking powder, I use this teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of this to achieve this one, because that's what we are going to use. This is the baking powder I use. For my butter, I have here is 2 tablespoons butter, and the butter that I bought is the one to fry, to bake. You're grilling chicken. Our powdered milk, I have 3 tablespoons in here. Tablespoon I use together. So our nutmeg, so I'm going to grate this one a little. It's not much. You just need to. In here, egg, 1 large egg. That's what I have in here. All our ingredients we are going to use to achieve our yummy Nigeria buns, Africa buns that you won't go wrong with. Come on, let's go. One thing I forgot to measure earlier on, we are going to mix all the wet ingredients separately from the dry ingredients. As you can see here, I mixed everything except the sugar. I added the sugar to the wet ingredient because I don't want to mix it too much. We are not making puff puff. Buns doesn't want too much of mixing. Once you added the flour into it, you just need to mix a bit of it. Aside that, you will see I just added a bit of water. So I wanted a very good and strong consistency. I don't want it to be too soft like the way we always mix puff puff. So as you can see here, I just make it very easy. Allow the consistency to look like the way it is on this video, and then you are good to go. You won't get it wrong once you do it this way.